Hi everyone, welcome to level 11, of our business analyst class course. In this level, we focus on working with stakeholders, which is one of the most important skills for a BA. Stakeholders provide the requirements and insights that guide every IT project. So why stakeholder management is important? Stakeholders are the source of truth for business requirement, effective communication. I think I missed the slide here. Okay, that's okay. So effective communication ensure that requirements we gather are accurate and complete. So as BA, you act as a bridge between business and technical teams, translating needs into actionable requirements. Okay. So common stakeholder types, you will interact with different types of stakeholders, business owners or product owners, end users who will use the system, developers and testers who implement the solution, so management or sponsors who make decisions. So understanding their perspective is key to capturing right requirements. So the worksheet, one sample worksheet. Here is the worksheet demo, an online application project student. So as a student, you can identify this key stakeholder, list question, gather requirements, note priorities, constraints, and expectation. This trains you approach real stakeholder meeting with confidence. Okay, so we'll do real scenarios, a 30 worksheet to master on this piece. Okay, so requirement gathering techniques, like some common techniques, interviews, workshop or groups, surveys, questionnaires, observation, shadowing. Using the right technique help you gather complete the accurate requirements. Okay, so we'll practice all the required scenarios for this requirement gathering techniques. So key points. Remember, stakeholder input is critical for accurate requirements. Listening carefully and documenting properly is a key BA skills. This reduces misunderstanding and rework during development. Okay. So the next step is this just a one worksheet for level 11. In this full program, a student real world stakeholder interaction every day. So the next level 12 covers working with other teams and vendors integration, which is critical for the system communication. So I'll see you guys in the next video, level 12 demo.